I am Starfire.
Hi, I'm Batgirl.
And if you don't know how to do our looks, just keep on watching. Hi, my name is Emma, and today I'm here with Daya from the Daya Daily. Make sure to check out her channel, subscribe to her, link is in the description. Today we're going to be doing a Starfire and Batgirl look from DC Superhero Girls. We are at ClamorCon, so if you hear any background noises, like guitar, that's Sophia Pecora, and there's other people in that room over there doing a whole lot of talking. So if you hear background noises, that is what that is. So let's get into it.
So I'm using this lighter foundation with this a little bit darker.
And I'm going to be priming my face first. For primer, I'm using Bare Minerals Prime Time. Now that I have that, I'm going to do my foundation. I will be also using Fit Me Maybelline Stick Foundation and these two powders. I'm going to do some color correcting with this lipstick. What's your favorite makeup tutorial that you've done on your channel?
My Snow Queen.
Oh, yeah.
I like that one.
Snow looks are always fun.
Now I'm gonna do my powder.
Yeah, that's where I am, and I'm using Makeup Forever translucent white powder.
I'm just using a light powder because it doesn't say what it is. Alright, now I'm done with that. I'm moving on to my eyeshadow.
And I'll be doing the same. I'm going to be doing kind of like an orange into purple look, like an orange in my crease and maybe get the lid to be like a glittery purple. I don't know.
I'm going to start off with black. So I am using this metal shock, and it's in the color black, so I'm just putting that all on my lid. Done with that, now I'm gonna use this palette, and I'm gonna use this silver, and it is called Dripping Diamonds.
And I'm just now getting started on my eyeshadow. I'm gonna use this orange in my crease, and I will merge it into a deeper orange, and then I'll merge that into a purple. And this is a Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsessions.
So I'm adding the silver just in the middle. And then I'm gonna blend that. And I'm adding this lavish purple. So it's like this blackish silver, and then it's like this purple just like on top of it. It looks pretty. Now I'm going to do my eyebrows. And I'm using this brow palette from Anastasia. I'll use this color.
Now I'm going to go in with some purple with this L'Oreal Paris purple palette. Doesn't really say the name. I'm going to add some of this pinkish glitter over that. What's your favorite DC superhero girl?
Batgirl.
I really like Wonder Woman. I'm going to add some orange under my eye.
Alright, now I'm done with my eyebrows. So now I'm going to be doing my eyeliner. And I'm using this Eye Studio.
And now I'm going to try to do eyeliner. Now I'm using Brooklyn & Bailey's Lash Next Door mascara. They gave this to us, and I have used it before, and I think it's really good and feathery and natural looking, but I'm just going to pile it on.
Now I'm going to be doing my mascara. And I'm using the same Brooklyn & Bailey.
And now I'm going to do my eyebrows with Benefit's Goof Proof Brow Pencil.
Done with that, now I'm gonna do my lipstick.
Now I'm gonna do my highlight, and I have a sample of Cover FX, their eyedropper highlight thing. It's real good.
All right, now I'm putting this pink. It's like a gloss and it has pink glitter in it.
Alright, now that I have that, I'm gonna do a very tiny amount of blush with this Becca Beauty palette. It's a very pretty palette, and I steal it from my mom a lot.
Okay, and I'm doing blush too.
Alright, now that I have that, I'm going to use this purple cream lipstick with this gloss over it. They're both liquid lipsticks, so I'm gonna use this one.
Alright, and now I'm gonna do my highlight and then I will be done.
Now I'm gonna put a Too Faced Angel Tears over that. So, this is my completed look, and is that yours?
Mm-hmm.
So we are done, and we'll be right back with our wigs. So now we have our wigs on and our completed costumes and makeup look. Make sure to check out Daya's channel, the Daya Daily, link is in the description, and we have the video that we did with her over in the card. So, thank you for watching. Please comment, share, subscribe, thumbs up on Twitter, and see you later, alligator. Click these rec channels to support our videos, and click this circle to subscribe. Bye!